biggest challenge for business today is not competition. It's protecting customer trust.
Every day you read headlines about governments and businesses being hacked, emails compromised, and intellectual property being stolen. That is cybercrime, and it affects each and every one of us. Microsoft created the Digital Crimes Unit to investigate and fight cybercrime. We use the Microsoft Cloud to visualize information so we can track down the criminals. Using our advanced analytics tools, analysis that used to take days to run, we can now see in real time. And we're building what we learn back into the cloud to make people and organizations safer.
When it comes to the cloud, trust and security are paramount.
Our passion is making life tougher for cyber criminals and making it safer for you and your customers.